Especially in the state of West Bengal, organizers have now set some lofty goals this year, and they plan to host the largest Ram Navami gathering on the date. But the police, meanwhile, has denied permission for new rallies, hampering the goal set by the Ram Navami Udyapan Samiti. Now, organizers were planning to host over 1 crore devotees at this year's Ram Navami, but those aspirations have been seemingly thwarted by the police, as they have apparently refused to give permission to as many as 300 new pujas. Now, the main reason is security concerns, as is being cited, with multiple rallies that are now being flagged as sensitive across West Bengal. And you will also remember that a short while back, an IPL match also had to shift venues from Eden Gardens to Guwahati because the officials said that they had security concerns because of the Ram Navami festival. And now they are saying that they still have security concerns, which is why they are denying permission for the new rallies and pujas. Now, this has sparked off a political war of words, because this year in particular, there has been vigilance as procession organizers are reportedly trying to gather larger crowds. Let's take a look at some of the largest rallies that are now being planned, with over 5 lakh people who are expected to attend in Siliguri, in Barasat as well, which is also bracing around 5 lakh devotees. 2.5 lakh devotees are expected to participate in Ishwarpur, and over 2 lakh devotees are supposed to attend the rally in Chandarnagar. With the authorities increasing focus on security and surveillance, West Bengal is bracing for a peaceful yet large-scale celebrations of Ram Navami, ensuring safety of all participants while also maintaining law and order. Now, the TMC government has been bashed by their handling of the issue, with the leader of opposition of the BJP, Shubhendu Adhikari, calling this as appeasement and vote bank politics, and their options are either to move court or violate the orders. TMC leader, meanwhile, has been saying that this is not happening for the first time and just for the occasion of Ram Navami. In fact, last year for Durga Puja as well, there were no permission that was granted for new rallies to take place.
It's not tolerable, because this is first time happening in Bengal in mass scale. It's a high appeasement politics and vote bank politics. ये जो हिंदू विरोधी अपना एजेंडा है, ये आ जाएगा सामने, पुलिस रोकेगा, जहां रोकेगा पुलिस के साथ हाथापाई करने का जरूरत नहीं है।
राज्य सरकार जो सोचेगा, जो पुराना पहले वाला जितना प्रोसेशन हुआ था वही प्रोसेशन को परमिशन दिया जाएगा। आपको और एक इंस्टेंस हम देना चाहता हूँ। दुर्गा पूजा का टाइम में लास्ट ईयर ऑल्सो इट हैपेंड, जस्ट पुलिस परमिशन नहीं दिया जाएगा।
There are other reactions that are also coming in, especially when it comes to the convener of the Navami Udyapan Samiti, what they have to say on the issue of permission not being granted.
प्रशासन को बताएं कि अगर हमको परमिशन नहीं मिलेगा तब भी करेंगे, नहीं मिलेगा तब भी करेंगे, क्योंकि पूजा करना हमारा ये जो आस्था है, ये आस्था का जो विषय है, ये लोगों का संवैधानिक अधिकार है, और इस तरह से कोई लॉ एंड ऑर्डर दिखाकर इसको रोकना ये सही नहीं है।
Well, Ritik is joining us live right now. Ritik, the BJP is raising the question and concern that why are there already and always security concerns, especially during the time of festivals like Durga Puja and now Ram Navami, citing security concerns? Why?
Well, definitely, citing the possibility of any deterioration of law and order situation, police, as per the Ram Navami organizers, they alleges police denied permission nearly 300 fresh Ram Navami, where they have planned to organize Ram Navami processions or Ram Puja this year, freshly for the first time. What we do understand, under the banner of Ram Navami Udyapan Samiti, VHP and other organization, pro-Hindu organization, planning to bring this Ram Navami celebration here in Bengal in a larger scale, in which they have set target to bring over 1 crore devotees on the streets. There are multiple rallies, at least 3,000 processions lined up to organize in a period of 1 week, starting from Ram Navami, and which is going to end till Hanuman Jayanti across this Bengal, in which lakhs of places have been marked to organize worship Lord Ram. But what as is triggered a political row.
All right.
What we do understand, BJP is now have decided and suggested, the leader of the opposition suggested the all organizers possibly to move to the court.
All
And
right. Well, is
that
the legal option or the legal route that the BJP will be taken upon as far as the denial of the permission being granted for pujas to be held on the occasion of Ram Navami remains to be seen what move that the BJP take. Thank you for the moment, Ritik, for joining in. Heading into a short break.